So, welcome. A lot of you may have heard of the word, the phrase, the term day trading, right? Or day trader. But you may not know exactly what a day trader is, what a day trader does. How can you become a day trader, right? Because granted, I didn't. In the beginning, I had no idea what a day trader was, right? Like, I didn't know. I honestly, in the beginning, y'all, I didn't know the difference between day trading and investing, or rather trading and investing. I had no idea. Or rather trading and investing. I had no idea. Like, I literally just had $300 and I was like, hey, I want to get into the market. I literally had opened my Cash App, y'all, transferred $300 and just bought some stocks. Because that's the mind frame. My mind frame was like a lot of newer traders. It's like, I just want to buy stocks, right? I had no idea though that there was methods behind this, that there was strategy behind this. My only concern was getting into the market. I just want to trade, right? Or excuse me, not even trade. I just want to buy stocks. I had no idea that there was a difference. But then it led me to the education. It led me to actually understanding, gaining the knowledge to become who I am today, right? A day trader, swing trader, an investor, right? But at the time, I didn't know. I literally had to spend, some money on a course so that I can learn the difference between trading and investing. I know it sounds like silly, but no, like, this is my field. This is what I wanted to do. This is what I wanted to be in. So I had to garnish that knowledge. The same as, a doctor, a lawyer, an actress, right? Like, you go to these different schools so you can gain the knowledge, right? You buy books, you watch YouTube videos, you watch other people that have gone before you, that have blueprints, right? Like, it's important to gain and garnish that knowledge. And that's what I had to do. I had to step back and understand what all of it was, because I didn't know what it was. So it's nothing wrong if you don't know what a day trader is, right? Or what day traders do, or that there's actually multiple types of traders. So hey y'all, I'm Shima, the Wealth Solutionist. This is what I do. Absolutely love trading. I've been now 10, 12 plus years as a mompreneur. I have 3 wonderful kids, 2 little ones that are just, they get to me, but I'm a wife, and I absolutely love sharing this knowledge with other women, other super moms. I love to teach other people how to step into their abundance, right? Through their own unique powers, through themselves, right? Like, being able to be open and do these certain things. I'm all about financial wellness. I'm all about being financially fit. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to jump in today and talk about 3 benefits of day trading. Day trading, y'all. I absolutely love it. It's my choice of MSI. I talk about MSI a lot on my channel, multiple sources of income, and trading is one of mine. I literally, y'all, was it December 2021? I resigned from my 9 to 5. Mind you, I don't see anything wrong with 9 to 5s whatsoever. Like, no, some people call-ins are in 9 to 5s, and I think that's awesome, right? But now I have a certain freedom that I didn't have before, right? I have my time back. I'm able to spend time with my family, right? Like, I get to see the little ones grow up. I get to be around them as they grow up. I don't have to send them off somewhere or, and pick them up later. I mean, I had that life before with the oldest. It was like crazy, having to pick them up by 6 o'clock, or they charge you per minute. Like, it was just insane, right? But being able to have this as a form of an MSI has been just amazing. And again, it allowed me to actually resign from my 9 to 5, right? But I'll get into that a little bit later. But 3 benefits of day trading, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Y'all know I do my bi-weeklies, and they be quick. They be real quick, but it's a lot of good information. So my first, and I will say it's like my reason as well. It's my reason for day trading, and also a huge benefit, because trust me, there's a lot of benefits to trading, straight up. But these are like the top 3, I feel like, for me, and why I choose to day trade. And I do a little swing trading. Don't get me wrong. I do a lot of different forms of the trading, but let's discuss this day trading. So my number 1 reason, well, in no particular order, but number 1 reason for benefit, rather, of trading, of day trading, is that it is convenient. It is absolutely convenient for me. Like, I get up in the morning, I have a little time for myself, start scanning for trades, do a trade. By 7 o'clock, I'm working out. Literally, I'm moving to the next thing, right? Working out, and I'm able to go drop my oldest off to school, come back, make breakfast, and then just get my day going. No more trades. Like, I do my trades in the morning and I'm done. I'm done before 7 a.m. But then also, there's other times throughout the day you can trade, because there's other opportunities, windows of opportunities for trading as well. We have power hour. There's sometimes a little downtime midday. It's a lot of different times where you can actually utilize the time within the market that'll work for you too, that'll work for your schedule. And that's that convenience. There's such a convenience in trading. Absolutely, absolutely love it. Number 2, it is consistent. Okay, trading is so freaking consistent. Like, again, so this is why I was able to leave my 9-to-5, because after I was trading and I learned how to trade, it actually showed me that there's consistency in this. The market has been here for a very long time. I'm 37 years old and the market was here before I was born. Okay, it ain't going nowhere. And if it is, another market will be designed. I'm almost sure of it. The crypto is here, NFT marketplace is here. There's so many different, and you can day trade in those as well. That's my point. Like, day trading is here to stay. It is a form of consistent income, absolutely consistent. And so again, it gave me that confidence, right? It allowed me to let go of that 9-to-5 and be able to focus in this. And then again, it gives me that time back. It gives me that freedom to be able to run my own business, right? To be able to share this information with other people, to spend time with my kids, to travel, to do the things that I actually had to ask somebody else to do, when I was working a 9-to-5, or, the times that I actually had to work a 9-to-5, right? When I was younger. So whatever the case, I absolutely love that there is consistency in this, right? The gains are consistent. I can get in and make a gain. Like right now, I can hop into the market and go make some money, right? And actually that leads me to number 3. My number 3 benefit of day trading is the fast ROI. Y'all, that return on investment is insane. Like I'm saying, right now, I can get into the market and I can make some money. Okay? That's one of the fastest ROIs I've ever heard of. Like, literally working a job, it's 2 weeks before you get paid. You know what I'm saying? Here, that's not the case. You get in right now and you can make some money right now. I mean, granted, you want to watch what's going on in the chart, right? You want to pay attention to certain things to give you that indication of getting in and getting out, whatever the case may be. My point is, it is still possible, right? At this very moment, you can get in and make some gas money. You can get in and make a car note. I mean, it's almost endless when you actually learn how to do it, right? And so that's why I'm such a huge advocate for trading, because it's such a fast return on your investment. I mean, granted, I invest as well. Investing takes a little bit longer. Don't get me wrong. You can hold out for investing, and I absolutely love investing. I'm investing in a bunch of cryptos right now, right? Because for me, as I keep telling everybody around me, crypto is the future of currency. Like, for the people that want to see it or not see it, take your time and look into crypto, okay? Because I keep telling people, it's exactly how we went from just trading things, right? We would just trade, I don't know, my eggs for your sugar, right? That's what people did back in the day. They would just trade. Then somebody decided to introduce a coin, right? Then we have a coin. Then people were exchanging a coin for, the eggs, right? Vice versa. Then they moved that to dollar bills, right? Then they started printing out paper and putting a value to it. Oh, this is worth $1. This is worth $5. This is worth 10, however you want to look at it, right? They started using trading with paper, right? And then it went digital, right? We had credit cards entered to the world. We had the debit cards. We had all the digital ways to do this, right? Even right now, like, how many of you, when you get paid, is direct deposit? So you don't see cash anyway, right? Like, they send you, you get numbers, right? Like, you'll see your bank go up with numbers, right? That's it. You don't see physical cash right now anymore. I mean, unless you go to the bank and, take a check and all of that stuff, right? But for the most part, a lot of us get direct deposit. It's just some numbers that they input into your thing, and now you have this money, right? Now crypto enters the field, right? And these are like, it's almost going back but going forward at the same time. This makes sense because they're tokens and they're coins, right? So you're putting a value on one of these tokens or coins. It's the same thing. But anywho, look into crypto, y'all. I'm telling you. So anyways, I invest in my crypto, right? But that's a longer term position, a longer term hold. I have to hold that for a long term. So I'm very diversified, right? In my portfolio, my trading accounts, I have some trades that are swing trades. I have cash available just for day trading. And then I also have some long-term positions, right? And then in my crypto wallets, I have my investments. So there's different ways to do this, right? And again, there's so many benefits. But the top 3 for me is literally the convenience, the consistency, and the fast return on investment. That's absolutely why I love day trading, y'all. And again, it's about diversifying. You can do all the different things. You don't have to just do one. You don't have to just day trade, or you don't have to just invest. Make sure you are diversifying yourself. You're diversifying your portfolio. You're diversifying how you are making MSI, how you are making money, right? Make your income make money for you. When you get your income, pay yourself first. Off top. For me, I get paid, money instantly goes right to my investment account. Money instantly goes to my trading account. Okay? That is how I stay ahead of the game. So I love y'all.